Welcome to the Digital Help Desk. Make sure to subscribe to have access to all of our guides and tutorials. Is your BBC iPlayer app not working properly on your smart TV? Are you having trouble loading the app? Here is what do you do when your BBC iPlayer stops working. First, here is the most common BBC iPlayer problems are. Number 1, your TV gets stuck on the app's welcome screen. Number 2, BBC iPlayer app crashes frequently. Number 3, when trying to stream the app buffers a lot. Number 4, you are experiencing a gray or blank screen when you launch the player. Here is how to fix these issues. Fix 1. Relaunch the BBC iPlayer app. Reboot your smart TV. To do this, press the back button on your smart TV remote to get back to the main apps menu. Choose the BBC iPlayer app again to relaunch it. Check to see if any issue persists. If it does, keep your TV power on and unplug the AC power plug from the wall. Press and hold the TV power button for more than 30 seconds. Wait 5 minutes, plug the TV back into the wall, and turn it back on. Now launch the BBC iPlayer app. Fix 2. Reboot modem and router. If the BBC iPlayer is not working on your smart TV, then the problem will most likely be with your network hardware. To reboot your hardware, follow these steps. Unplug the AC power of your router and modem from the wall. Wait 30 seconds. Plug the modem back in and wait 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, plug the router back in and wait another 2 minutes. Check to see if the app is working properly. Fix 3. Update the BBC iPlayer app and clear your cache. This can be done by following these steps one by one. Update your BBC iPlayer app. Log out of the iPlayer app and log in again. Clear browsing data and cache memory from your TV. Launch the app and verify that you don't see any gray or blank screen. If the issue persists, delete the BBC iPlayer app from your TV and install it again. Fix 4. Change DNS settings on your smart TV. To change the settings on your TV, press menu on your remote and select Network Status. Select IP settings, DNS settings. Select the option to manually enter the DNS address. Type in 8.8.8.8 in the primary DNS field. Type in 8.8.4.4 in the secondary DNS field. Fix 5. Factory reset your smart TV. You can factory reset your smart TV by taking these steps. Press the menu button on your smart TV remote and select Settings. Select Self-Diagnosis or Support option. Options can vary according to TV models. Choose the Reset option and enter the default PIN 0000. After the reset, open the BBC iPlayer app and check to see if any issue persists. Fix 6. Update TV software. To update your TV software, navigate to TV Settings, Software Update, Update Now. After the updates are installed, open the BBC iPlayer app and look for any sign of an error. Fix 7. Configure Wi-Fi signal for BBC iPlayer. If your BBC iPlayer app continuously loses connection with the server, follow these steps. If you are running 2.4 GHz, change the Wi-Fi mode from 802.11b/g/n mix to 802.11n. If you are running 5 GHz, change the Wi-Fi mode to 802.11 AC. Launch the BBC iPlayer app and check to see if the connection is successfully established. If you are asking why has my BBC iPlayer disappeared from my TV, it may have disappeared because you need to Change the country location on your smart TV. Quite a few users got their BBC iPlayer app icon back on their smart TV this way. How do I update BBC iPlayer on my smart TV? A lot of times, updating your BBC iPlayer can also solve a lot of problems within the app. To reset your BBC iPlayer on your smart TV, go to the Settings or Featured option. Navigate to the BBC iPlayer app. Click on it and press and hold the Enter button on the remote until a submenu appears. Select Update Apps, select All Update. If an update is available, the BBC iPlayer will start updating. How do I reset BBC iPlayer on my smart TV? Sometimes, the BBC iPlayer app needs to reset to clear all the settings, history, and user accounts. To reset your iPlayer app, access the main settings of your smart TV. Go to the Apps section and choose the BBC iPlayer app. Under the BBC iPlayer setting menu, choose Reset App. Sign in again to the app with the older or new login credentials. Conclusion. At any time, if your BBC iPlayer app is not working on your smart TV, it can cause great frustration as you won't be able to enjoy your favorite programs. Hopefully, this guide answers your queries. If this guide has helped you, make sure to subscribe to Digital Help Desk for more technical support in the future.